In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project. Renaming a project is a small change with a big impact. It keeps your workspace organized, helps teammates find the right work quickly, and aligns your project list with your current goals. I'll walk you through the process clearly and share a few helpful tips along the way so you can do it confidently. First, open the project you want to rename. Being inside the project ensures you're changing the correct one, and it lets you see the update in context. If you manage multiple projects with similar titles, double-check the contents, recent activity, or any identifying details to confirm you've opened the right place before you proceed. Next, look for the gear icon or an option labeled Project Settings. The gear is commonly used across many platforms to indicate settings, and you'll typically find it near the top right of the screen, in a sidebar, or within a project menu. If you don't see the gear immediately, the settings might be nested under a menu labeled Settings, Details, or Administration. The goal is simply to open the project's settings panel where name and metadata are managed. Inside the settings, select Rename Project. This option may appear as a dedicated button or be grouped under a General or Details section. Choosing this brings up a field where you can modify the title. If the option is grayed out or unavailable, that usually means you don't have the required permissions to change project level details, and someone with higher access may need to handle it. Now enter the new name and save. Use a clear descriptive title that matches how your team searches and categorizes work. A practical format might include the department, initiative, and timeframe, or a consistent prefix your organization already uses. Keep in mind that special characters, emojis, or extra long names might be restricted or truncated in some systems. Pick something concise but specific, and check spelling to avoid confusion later. When you save, the change should immediately reflect across the project title bar, navigation, and any lists where this project appears. In some tools, search results and dashboards may take a moment to update, but the underlying content and links inside the project remain the same. That's all it takes to rename a project. You've opened the correct project, accessed project settings, selected Rename Project, and saved a clear new name. This simple update improves clarity for everyone who works with you and helps keep your workspace tidy and consistent. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.